Hey, it's Abby from Leavens Volkswagen, and today I'm going to go over adaptive cruise control, how it works, and how to properly use it. So adaptive cruise control is like regular cruise control in a way, but with this feature, there are sensors on the front of the vehicle that maintain a safe distance between you and that vehicle ahead of you based on your set speed and of course based on how fast the vehicle ahead of you is moving. For example, I'm headed to work and I've got my adaptive cruise control set to 110 kilometers on the 401. Let's say somebody pulls out ahead of me doing 105 kilometers. The adaptive part of this cruise control kicks in as soon as they're within that range that I've set. And as soon as they are within that range, the vehicle will automatically slow down, match their speed at 105 kilometers, and then once they're out of the way or out of that range, it'll jump back up to my set speed of 110 kilometers per hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about adaptive cruise control or any of the other driver assist features on your vehicle, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or anyone else here at Leavens Volkswagen, and we'd be happy to help you out. Have an awesome day.